I'm Michael Mortimer and I'm in Stannington, Morpeth at a new development of 3 modern country homes built by developer Motorblock and sold exclusively by Hive Estates. This is modern country living. This incredible open plan space is beautifully lit with large bifolding doors and a vaulted skylight. These homes are where an indoor-outdoor connection is at the heart of the home. We all know open plan living is the future because you can use the space how you want. Just like this, every detail has been considered. Each home has a beautiful shaker kitchen with double ovens, solid worktops and a functional utility room. Upstairs there's 4 double bedrooms and a main family bathroom with stunning dual sinks and freestanding bath. The master has a perfect dressing area and a high specification ensuite. This is Portobello Close. Your modern country life starts here. Until next time.